Hello again. Today I have idea for all of you who would like to have a Christmas tree but you have no space to keep it. We will be making a Christmas tree, yes, from pasta. This is regular pasta that you use on a daily basis at home. And with this pasta piece of paper we're going to make a Christmas tree which you can put on your desk. You can give it to somebody. The kind of pasta that we're using, it's one special, it calls penne. So remember, when you're going to make those trees, and make sure you have penne. They have this special shape. They have little grooves on them and they looks pretty nice. Okay, so besides the pasta you need a piece of cardboard for the base for a Christmas tree, pencil, ruler, scissors. These are purse imitations. It can be some raindrops. Those are rubber berries. We're going to decorate our tree with them. Some ribbons. Small, big, different colors. And of course glue gun. We need a lot of glue today. So let's start. We need to make a base for our tree. The base has a shape of cone, so we need to draw a segment of the circle, like a quarter of the circle. We start from the corner and we measure the height of our tree. So mine is 9 inches, so I measured from the corner of this paper 9 inches. I made a few dots, I connected them, and now I have to cut it. I'm going to have a segment of the circle, and when I connect the edges, it will create a cone. We just have to roll it and glue it, the edges together. And like I said before, I was measuring the height of the Christmas tree because you can adjust it and make them shorter, longer, and depends on how big you want it to be. Also, you can adjust how thick, how wide it is. Right now, when I'm connecting the edges, if you roll this piece of cardboard more, the tree is going to be thinner because the cone will be thinner. So you can adjust height, you can adjust the thickness, the width of the Christmas tree. Make sure you put a lot of glue and you tight it together so it's not gonna fall. And now we'll start to glue the pieces of pasta. We will start from the bottom and we'll go to the top. And I have to tell you that it's going to take a pretty long time, so you have to be patient. But the plus is that the higher you go, the circles that you have to make are smaller and smaller, and when you reach the top it's going to be only few pieces of pasta. So we put the glue and we put the edge, one of the ends of the pasta, doesn't matter which one, and glue it into the cone. And this way, piece of piece, we're going all the way to the top. Okay, like I mentioned before, this kind of tree you can keep on your desk, you can put it on your window, you can make it really small and put it as a piece of your roof. You can make few of them and you can create a Christmas village. It's all up to you and your imagination. I thought of it when I was at work, and we have little tiny desks, and it is nice to have a sign of the Christmas in your office. So the place is too small to set up a Christmas tree. So I said, okay, let me make something that we can feed and we can put on our desk. Yeah, you don't have to put the glue every time you put a piece of pasta. You can put like 2 inches of the glue and then put the piece by piece. Unfortunately, it takes time, but it will look really pretty when you do it. Okay, this first circle is done. Make sure it stays, it won't fall. And we start the second layer. The second layer we start about 1/2 inch on the top of the first one, and we do the same thing like with the first one. Glue piece by piece. I'm gonna have to speed it up a little bit because we would spend an hours watching this, and this is not exciting. Okay, so 2 hours later or 25 layers later, we got into the top of our tree. Make sure it's tight, nothing is falling. And this is how it looks like. Unlike every Christmas tree, our tree is going to have a star on the top, and of course we will make it from the rest of our pasta. We have to glue the edges together and create a shape of the circle. And that will go on the top of our tree. We will be making 2 of those circles. Yeah, this is how we do it. We glue the edges of the pasta together to make shape of circle. It also will take a time, not as much as the whole tree. Okay, and the last piece to accomplish our circle. Squeeze it, make it tight so it's not gonna fall apart and fail. And half of the star is done. Now we need a second one, same like this. So piece by piece, edge to edge, we creating a circle. There you go. We have two circles, and now we will place them on the top of the tree. Yeah, this way. First we will decorate it with some bow and some ornaments, and then we place it on the top of the tree. But the next step is painting the tree. This is a spray paint. I picked a silver color, and also looked good in gold. I haven't tried the green one, so let's go and paint it now. See you in the next part.